Da, 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 da. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah. I went grocery shopping and these are the options I have. So typically I have like spinach in I put spinach either as a side meal or I put that in my chicken. So today I'm going to show you guys how I use it in chicken. And then here we have sweet potatoes, and then here we have banana for breakfast. So what I do is I have like banana with oatmeal and some fruit. So I make oatmeal and then strawberries and then blueberries every single morning. So this is to the side. And I do not use I do not use vegetable oil to cook. I always use olive oil. It doesn't have to be this particular brand, but typically I would always use olive oil and not vegetable oil. A little bit of it. Don't put like a lot of oil in your food. It's not healthy at all, okay? So a little bit goes a long way. And then I use, typically I will use brown rice typically, or jasmine brown rice, but today I don't have that, so I just got the regular rice. So, but even if whatever rice you make, just make sure that you don't eat like so much at once. Make sure you reduce. I believe in portion control. So even if you eat like rice, whether it's white rice or brown rice or jasmine rice, make sure you have like a small portion of it. Like it should be like a handful. It should be your protein. So that should be your carb size, just a handful of it, okay? And then I have sweet peppers. So I typically put sweet peppers in my chicken and my salmon. And I have asparagus. So my two favorite vegetables are asparagus and cucumber, my favorite. So that's the side. And I always use onions in my food because who doesn't use onion, right? And I have garlic powder, and then I have curry. And my secret recipe, every Nigerian knows this. Every Nigerian, wink wink. I use Knorr. So this is like you can use Knorr, you can use Maggi, but I typically just use Knorr. And yeah, so I think, oh yeah, I'll show you guys my chicken. So I always get like, what's it called? Chicken breast. I make sure it's skinless and it's boneless. That's the type of chicken I get. And for my salmon, this is like kind of salmon I use. So yeah, I think we can get started.
Oh no no.
So right now everything has been all chopped up. So let's take a look. We have our chicken ready, chicken breast. We have our salmon ready. We have our sweet pepper ready. We have our onion, rice. Also, it's all done. And we have the sweet potato on the fire now. So I'm going to show you guys how I make the chicken and how I make the salmon as well. So I think we're going to go with the chicken first. I'm going to put the oil on the pan. So this is how. Okay, so now the pan is ready. It's hot. I'm going to add a little bit of oil now. So I want to show you guys the quantity of oil I usually put in my food. So yep. So we don't want too much and we don't want too little. So this is actually okay, but I'm just going to turn the pan just so we know how much quantity we have here. This is perfect. See guys, not too much, not too little. So that some people when they put like so much oil in their food that like it's like they're drinking oil. So just one little bit, not too much, okay? So now as the oil is getting ready, I don't waste so much time. I put my onions straight away so I can stir fry. I think that quantity should be fine. So we need some onions for the salmon. So this is just so that it cooks. I'm going to increase the heat. I'm going to put a little bit more onion because it doesn't look like so enough. There. So you give the onion a little bit of time and then you put your sweet pepper. So while you cook, if you notice that the oil is like it's not enough, you can always add as you go, but don't add too much oil in your food when you first cook. Like add it only when you need extra. So you don't want too much oil in your food, okay? Another substitute for olive oil is coconut oil. Some people do not like the smell or taste of coconut oil, but some people love it. So you can try and compare. So you can try using coconut oil and see if you like it. I love the taste of coconut oil, but it's very they're super expensive products. So when you buy, you have to find out what fits your budget more. I prefer the olive oil, it tastes better, it's okay. They are both okay for me. So if you don't want to avoid vegetable oil, no vegetable oil. Okay? And then you can now add, can you see, like now you can see all the steam coming out, so it's ready. So just add the sweet pepper now. Whew. Because I'm going to put in some more for. Actually, I'm going to just take out some for my salmon. I think I put too much. No, it's fine. Then just let it stir up a little bit. So yes, while you're cooking, guys, drink your water, stay hydrated. Yes. Okay, and so I'm going to put the chicken now. I'm going to add everything. I'm going to just turn everything together. I'm going to add my spinach now. This is the one we use, don't forget. Toss everything in there. Perfect salt. Yes, in here is better. I'm going to just add my spinach now. Yes, let's get it all in there. Spinach is so deceiving, like it looks like a lot now. Let the heat just get it now. You see what's going to happen. It's like magic here. Let the heat just touch it up a little bit. And then just turn. So why I say you don't have to use oil, because chicken has water in it. Chicken has water, so you actually have to put the water makes the thing cook as well. So you don't have to use oil in it, like too much oil. So I'm going to turn this now to mix up the spinach before we add seasoning. Make sure you always put vegetables in your food, guys. Make sure any vegetable you like, just add it in there. Other substitutes we have is zucchini. We have what else? Kale. You can add kale. Yeah, so whatever, I would say try all kinds of vegetables, and then find what you like best, and then you can use. So I have done like trial and error, and I found out that this is what I love the most: spinach. So yeah, see the magic now. Look at how it was before, and then whoa, voila! Don't go too close to steam. And then yeah, it's like magic, guys. All the spinach now is gone. And now we're gonna add spices. So this is garlic. We're gonna add garlic in there. A little bit of garlic. And then I add my curry. For curry, don't put too much, just a little bit. Don't want it to be too what's it called? I think that should be fine. And then my so now we're gonna add the Knorr. I use, how many cubes? I use like 4 cubes normally. 4 cubes normally, but the quantity, I think it depends on the quantity you're using, the quantity of chicken you're using. I'm using a lot of chicken, so I'm gonna put 6, I think. I hope it's not too much. I'll put 5. Let's do 5, just in case I don't want it to be too much. 5's a lot. But mind you, it doesn't salt my food though. Just so you guys know, I don't put salt in my food. So we need to have taste. And this, we need to have taste in the food. If anyone shouts that this is too much, I'm gonna come after you. Because we like seasoning, we like taste in our food. This is how you make healthy food taste good. Like you don't have to go the extra. I'm gonna put 5, not 6, right? Ooh la la! The smell, guys, is amazing. Don't put the book, just blend. So yeah, see the water in the chicken, like it does the job. The amount of water in the chicken, it does the job of cooking everything up. Okay, we're gonna let this cook now and we'll get back to when it's all ready, okay? I'm start making the salmon now, so I'm gonna add some. Let's put this too hot. That's fine. I'm just gonna reduce this a little bit. Add the hot pepper as well. Just stir it up. Okay, I'll give it like a few seconds and I'm going to just check on my chicken. Woo. Oh yeah, it was the chicken that was burning. So make sure you always check on the food while you cook, so nothing burns. Now we're gonna add the salmon. So always be careful with your salmon so you can stay in place. So you just go like this and voila. Another one, voila. Another one. This and like this. So, yep. And I'm going to add my seasoning now. Same thing, garlic. I use the same seasoning for everything. Garlic. Curry. That's the extra careful. I'm like a typical black person. We don't measure as well, guys. No 1 teaspoon, tablespoon, like just I'm adding my Knorr. Spread it around. I'm using 4 cubes. Okay, so typically I would say like half. If everyone wants measurements, like a rough idea of how much stuff they should put, so I'm guessing guys might need measurements. So I would say like half a teaspoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of curry, and if you're able to get this Knorr, I would recommend it because it does an amazing job on the smell and taste of food. So you can put 4 cubes. And then now we're going to stir everything. Not stir, no, we don't stir salmon, we just turn. So we just stir the salmon. This is where the technical part comes in. And I use some to cover it up. And I carry it like this. Oh, careful, careful. Guys, it's so hard. It's hard and it looks. There we go. There we go. Another one, there we go. Another one, there we go. Okay. If you want more sauce in your food, just add more onion and more sweet pepper. I think I have more sauce in my chicken than in my salmon.
So if you want to have more sauce, just make sure you add more onion and more sweet pepper, so it comes out to be a lot of sauce. Okay, voila. Then let this cook for a bit while we relax.
Okay guys, so we are finally done with our food. The smell is amazing and it's going to taste amazing too. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried any of this before. And yeah, bye guys.